What up, guys? Today we're going to play a very popular game. It's called 99 Nights in the Forest.
What? What you say, Nika?
So I know I have so much days in this game,
Why?
but we just want to show you guys the basics. We can try this in 99 nights, and yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. So we're back, and I am the camper class because I don't want to start off too overpowered. So for this tutorial, so I'm gonna tell you the basics how it works. So you get here, chop your trees, put in your camp or in your grinder, what do you call that? Crafting table. I mean, it's basically called a crafting table. Hold up, my thing is loading. You see, I'm grey. But anyways, so saying, yeah, plant your seeds and stuff. I'm gonna put more fire, and I'm gonna chop more trees, and yeah. I mean, there is children to save also, and the more children you save, the more days you can get. The only the max amount of days you can get per day.
I just want to take my top off.
That sounds not right. You can't get amount of days per day. That's not so right. But anyways, there's
I'm not done. Just hold on.
Anyways, the reason why I'm killing bunnies is because I want the bunny food. Yeah, sounds weird, but I'm gonna show you right after when it's the next day. I'm just here for the basics and stuff. Just making sure that you chop the trees. Oh yeah, once it gets to 100, it doesn't stop there. It starts now at level 2. So what do you mean level 2? That can reach faster than life support. Dang. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude here, but serious. That was too fast a comfort. Anyways, put more logs in. Now we get to level 2. Now the fire expands more, and oh yeah, this is schist here. So some of these maps, some of these places have schist. You open them, give you something good in order to survive even more longer. Like a revolver, yes, a nice piece of gun. Anyways, I'm about to shoot that wolf. Oh, nice, a wolf bout. You will see why I need a wolf bout in a sec. But it's about to be nighttime. So, like any horror game will be like targeting you already on the first day. But this one, it gives you like a tutorial on this day how to survive. Okay. You don't want to know what happens if this campfire goes out. Always, this guy will get you. This is the deer. Here's the deer. Here's the deer. This deer hates the right. So he's going to coward himself to join us, bug. Okay? There you coward. Anyways, we'll be in serious right now. As we collect scrap, we collect wood, chop the trees. I mean, you can't basically collect wood, but you can collect trees. That's wood, so I already got a flashlight, thanks. But you might be saying, sounds easy. It's not. How to make it more easy? Classes. Classes is determined of if you can survive for 100 days of the 99 nights. My bad for some of the people you know this game. It's like 1 million people, so 1 million people gonna chase me. Chase me. Okay, anyways, let's kill all these bunnies until I get the bunny food. Yeah, yeah, he is. This is why I need the bunny food. This guy's a creep and not me. Okay. Okay. You might be saying what you get for this. Okay, I'll show you. Show you. You can get good sack, good X, or old flashlight. But since I already have an old flashlight, you can get yourself a good sack, a nice good sack. Yeah, it's 15. Okay, I'm gonna give the wolf part also, and I'm gonna get myself a spear. Now I'm only gonna last until the Kotas fight, if I can really get there. And yeah, I should end the video. Now what I'm gonna might be saying, what am I really doing in this game if I survive already like 800 days in this game? Well, I'm gonna reveal on constant updates, get the cave spot 2 if you really guys want to. I will just be like playing like in the middle of the game. You won't see me every time like going at the beginning of the game. I mean, I am a full-blown master of collecting scrap and wood and flames. I mean, not flames, fuel. And that really terrifies me. I'm collecting like so much iron that would that probably if you cut all the wood out and then put in the grinder, it will be less than what I collected. So yeah, I collect collect all the stuff. Look, I will play like a team games for now onwards with these constant updates.
Yes.
But for now, just going to go more deeper. Oh wait, we will get to this like we will get to this next video or so. Maybe it's I'm gonna maybe after when I do the cave spot 2. Anyways, can I go to scrap? Can I report what item? I'm opening just okay. Day 2 is not so nice like the other nights. In fact, all the nights except day 1 is not going to make you feel nice at all. So you might as well coward into the camp. But for me, I'm not a coward. I survive. I have survived. Anyways, yeah, if oh, I just found the people. Okay, yeah, the wolves. My bad. They're not people. Anyways, let me try to kill them. 360, no scope. Anyways, kill them for serious notes. Okay, let's go. Kill 3 out of how much now? 5. Just need to kill 2 more people. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, it's a deer. Get the hell out of me. Oh dang. Those goes. Yep, this is the deer. That deer was banged for life. Yeah, I'm also banging the deer every time. It just pops out of nowhere. At least if it pops in front of me, it won't be that scary. I'll be focused up. Campfire level 4. Let's go. Now, I think on day 3, I'm gonna try to save the first kid and to see me. So yeah, try to see if I can save the first kid with this dang weapon. It's just a spear. Anyways, how long we have been here in this video? 9 minutes. I can't make it to the Cultist Night unless I just stop it until the gate and then go to the Cultist Night afterwards. But anyways, there is many stuff to make in this game. Like you make an old bed for getting extra days, a map and stuff like that. You upgrade it, you get all that stuff, and you can see what you can make here, and you and so on and so forth until crafting bench level 5. So yeah, we're gonna go and fight the cult. Not the cultist. The cultist comes later. Like it comes like day 4 cycle. Anyways, let's open the door. Open this. Get this. We're gonna get that food also because I'm most probably hungry after all that fighting. Okay, but anyways, yeah, no, says it's based on a true story. I mean, if you believe it, you believe it. If you don't believe it, don't believe it. It's fine. Me, I especially believe it because, and not believe it at the same time because how would Indigo just come in your face and be like, ah? Do you see how his mouth is? That mouth be hanging there like a hanger. Anyways, you save the day. You don't save chop. Also, we back and the deer scratched me in the face. I don't know why it's wrong. Why is wrong with him? That's not why. It's what I know. I'm just trying to act dumb. Okay, but anyways, the Kota sites are not normally like not normal nights. Okay, it's not happening every single time. But it's basically like attacks that just come out of nowhere, just by like, yeah, I'm gonna take your house now. Just kidding. There is however, I did save the second kid also, so yeah, drop him also. I'm gonna drop the fuel canisters too, and yeah, I've got now. This is a good game, okay, guys. Try it. Get all the classes if you want, and let's move this camera real quick. Go back. Respawn. Boom. Dead. So guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.